Hello and welcome to Gabe in the Kitchen. So today we're going to be doing a similar thing to last week. We're going to carry on this series. Why? Because it's so damn easy to do. Yes, it is so easy, so we're just going to keep doing it. So this time we've got a lovely recipe. It's called the viral Japanese cheesecake hack. Yes. So let's watch it together and then we'll go from there. Magically, okay. Okay, this one does have ingredients. Tub of Siggy's Greek yogurt and then Biscoff cookies left in the fridge overnight. Let's do it. So you can see the whey has obviously separated from our yogurt. I did read that it has to be authentic Greek yogurt.
This is luxury Greek yogurt.
Luxury, authentic. And of course, you want a nice pot that can hold all that volume, okay? Don't be one of those people who throw away the whey. Oh my God, that's like the protein, man. You gotta mix that back in. So of course, first thing you do is you stir it back in carefully. Am I the ass for wearing pants that are see-through in certain light? Oh my God. So I, 27 male, found some white pants that I thought looked really cool. Right, let's do this recipe. And while we're doing the recipe, you're gonna be hearing a little bit of something going on in the background. That is a post from Reddit. And of course, leave your thoughts down in the comments on whether or not the person who is asking the question is or isn't the asshole. However, the only issue is after I brought them, I found that in some certain light, you can kind of see through them. Nothing obscene, just the pattern on my underwear and maybe some leg hair, leg hair here and there. But that's only if you really look. So if anything, that's your problem. No, I added that little bit extra, don't worry. Okay, let me...
That's the best. That's authentic luxury Greek yogurt.
There you go.
That's a lot.
And now guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start putting in Biscoff. It's literally that simple. So anyway, I got compliments on it from my buddy Ray, 28 male. And to make him laugh, I showed him how they could be see-through. He just laughed and also mentioned he hadn't noticed until I pointed it out. Anyway, the other night, Ray and I met up with a woman he was talking to and one of her friends. When we were about to leave my place, the women weren't there yet. Ray recognized the white pants and asked if it was a good idea to wear them. I pointed out we were going to a dark bar that night. We went out, the dates both went fine. The next time we hung out, Ray said that he was frustrated that I couldn't clean up better and he didn't want both of us to look like creeps. I pointed out the pants were not see-through in the dark and the woman I was with even complimented me on them. It's not that deep, but Ray still seemed angry. I'm gonna censor the word that he used. Am I the ass? Do you understand this story? Because I'm a bit lost here.
Yeah, so he had these see-through pants. Hold on, I'll stop. He had these see-through pants. He liked them. This time he wore them. Well, when he wore them out, his friend complimented him on them. Like,
Yeah.
Oh, those are nice pants. And
Yeah.
they're like, oh really? They're a bit see-through in this light. And then the guy probably took another look and he's there like, yeah, but I didn't know until you showed me. You know, like I wouldn't have known until you spoke about it.
Yeah.
Anyway, they went on this double date with these two women.
Yeah.
Guy likes these white pants, so he decided to wear them out. And then his other friend was there like, is that a good idea? They're a bit see-through. And then the guy's there like, we're going to a bar, it's dark in a bar.
Yeah.
Like, there's no light there, people can't see through them, so I'm going to wear them. And then the guy's there like, okay, if that's,
So what's the problem?
I don't know. I think the guy just... No, this is going to be nice. Ray started off liking the pants. But now he's there like.
But now that women are involved.
Now that women are involved, you don't want. Look, it might come across as creepy that you're wearing these see-through pants.
There we go. I have packed in as much as I could. Well, I could probably squeeze in a few more, but this is all we have.
That looks beautiful.
Ta-da! And guys, that is the easiest recipe ever. Put the lid back on.
Ooh. Hey!
And we'll leave that overnight, but no, we're not gonna leave it overnight. We're gonna leave it for about
Till 10 o'clock.
4 hours. Well, do 4 hours minimum, 4 to 6 hours minimum, but obviously we're not back home till around there. So that's when we'll, how many hours is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 6.5 hours. Yes. We'll see you then. Hopefully this is delicious. Okay. Final product. It's been about 24 hours actually. Yeah. We didn't get time to do it yesterday, and yeah, this is the only time we've had to do it. So it's been 24 hours, so a little bit longer than usual in the recipes. But let's see, it still looks good. Still, woo, that smells quite good. Let's sample the goods. So, in theory, this should be soft enough to just scoop. Oh yeah, look at that. That's the magic bite right there. Let's have a wee taste. The viral Japanese cheesecake hack.
Three things fastest cake you've seen.
Skeptical, but I'm hooked. Grab a spoon, grab the book. Kitchen counter, camera high.
All right, chat, let's give this a try.
Cheesecake hack attack. We backed it a little.
As far as cheesecake goes, that is a very basic cheesecake. Very basic. But it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I'd give it about a 6 out of 10 for cheesecake. That's pretty good. You know, if you're feeling lazy, you want to get a bit of a cheesecake-esque feel. You know, you got some nice Greek yogurt lying around, some Biscoff biscuits lying around. This ain't bad. Go on, just have a wee taste. No, I don't want a double dip. There's a difference. There you go. Yeah. Tell us what you think. You can't see you shaking your head, nodding your head.
No, I like it. I think it's really nice.
It tastes like yogurt with soft Biscoff biscuit. It doesn't taste like a cheesecake, so don't get your hopes too high now. You know, manage your expectations. But it's good. It's pretty good. It's a good hack. Nice low effort way to make a cheesecake like dessert, and it's probably healthier. So yeah, why not? Give it a go. Right, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. That's our thoughts on the viral Japanese cheesecake hack. You know, you could flavor this with a bit of sugar, a bit of mascarpone cheese, a bit of coffee if you want to do tiramisu. There's a lot you can do with the actual yogurt before you put the Biscoff in, and that will help you a lot. But yeah, as it is, that's pretty good. It's pretty basic, better than average, 6 out of 10, not too bad. But yes, give it a go. Let us know what you think in the comments. If this works for you, how much you enjoy it, blah, 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 blah. You know the lot. Like, subscribe, comment. Yes, we'll see you in the next one for the next viral
Video reaction.
For the next viral video reaction. See you then, guys. Bye-bye.
This hack got me coming.